Hello, English learners. Welcome back to your English shadowing practice. Today's topic is how to ask for directions in English. In this lesson, you will practice asking for directions, understanding directions, speaking naturally, improving pronunciation, and building confidence. This lesson is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Please listen carefully, repeat after the speaker. Shadow the rhythm, pronunciation, and emotion. Let's begin. Go straight. Go straight. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Cross the street. Cross the street. It is nearby. It is nearby. It is far away. It is far away. Next to the bank. Next to the bank. Across from the hotel. Across from the hotel. Between the restaurant and the pharmacy. Between the restaurant and the pharmacy. On the corner. On the corner. At the traffic light. At the traffic light. Near the station. Near the station. Behind the mall. Behind the mall. In front of the supermarket. In front of the supermarket. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can you help me? Can you help me? Where is the train station? Where is the train station? How can I get to the airport? How can I get to the airport? Is there a bank near here? Is there a bank near here? Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? I am looking for the museum. I am looking for the museum. Which way is the bus stop? Which way is the bus stop? How far is the hotel? How far is the hotel? Can I walk there? Can I walk there? Is it close? Is it close? Do I need a taxi? Do I need a taxi? Go straight for 2 blocks. Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn right after the bank. Turn right after the bank. The station is on your left. The station is on your left. The hotel is on your right. The hotel is on your right. Walk past the supermarket. Walk past the supermarket. It is next to the pharmacy. It is next to the pharmacy. You cannot miss it. You cannot miss it. It takes about 10 minutes. It takes about 10 minutes. You should take a bus. You should take a bus. Take the second street on the left. Take the second street on the left. Cross the bridge. Cross the bridge. Excuse me. Excuse me. How can I get to the train station? How can I get to the train station? Go straight for 3 minutes. Go straight for 3 minutes. Then turn left at the traffic light. Then turn left at the traffic light. Is it far? Is it far? No, it is very close. No, it is very close. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. Is there a cafe near here? Is there a cafe near here? Yes, there is one near the bank. Yes, there is one near the bank. How do I get there? How do I get there? Go straight and turn right. Go straight and turn right. The cafe is across from the bookstore. The cafe is across from the bookstore. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. No problem. No problem. You are in a new city. You feel nervous. You cannot find your hotel. You stop a stranger politely. Excuse me. Could you help me? I am trying to find the Sunrise Hotel. The person smiles kindly. Go straight down this road. Turn left at the second traffic light. The hotel is beside a convenience store. You thank the stranger. Now you feel relaxed and confident. Where is the station? Go straight and turn left. Where is the station? Go straight and turn left. Can you help me? The bank is across the street. Can you help me? The bank is across the street. How far is the museum? About 5 minutes from here. How far is the museum? About 5 minutes from here. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? Go straight and turn right at the corner. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? Go straight and turn right at the corner. A young traveler arrived in a large city. Everything looked confusing. The streets were crowded and noisy. The traveler felt lost. But he decided to ask for help. Excuse me. Can you help me find the station? An old woman smiled warmly. She gave simple directions, slowly and kindly. The traveler listened carefully. Soon, he found the station. He realized something important. Asking for help is not weakness. It is courage. And every conversation is a chance to learn. Repeat after me. Where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? Turn right at the corner. Turn right at the corner. Walk past the restaurant. Walk past the restaurant. The station is next to the mall. The station is next to the mall. Can I walk there? Can I walk there? It takes 15 minutes. It takes 15 minutes. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. You are welcome. Sorry, I'm lost. Sorry, I'm lost. I think you went the wrong way. I think you went the wrong way. Keep walking straight. Keep walking straight. It's near the big building. It's near the big building. You should ask at the information desk. You should ask at the information desk. The subway entrance is downstairs. The subway entrance is downstairs. Take bus number 20. Take bus number 20. Get off at the next stop. Get off at the next stop. Good afternoon. I am trying to find the City Museum. Could you tell me how to get there? Of course. Walk straight along this street. Turn left at the second traffic light. Then continue for about 5 minutes. You will see a park on your right. The museum is across from the park. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. You're welcome. Enjoy your visit. Traffic light. Traffic light. Direction. Direction. Station. Station. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. Corner. Corner. Across from. Across from. Next to, next to. Behind, behind. Nearby, nearby. Intersection, intersection. 60 minutes. You do not need perfect English. You only need courage to speak. Every small conversation helps you improve. Every mistake teaches you something. Keep asking questions. Keep practicing every day. Little by little, your English will grow. One day, speaking English will feel natural. Believe in yourself. Excuse me. Could you tell me where the nearest subway station is? Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn right at the traffic light. Then walk past the supermarket. The subway station will be on your left. It takes about 10 minutes to walk there. Thank you very much for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Amazing work today. You practiced asking for directions in English. You improved your listening. You improved your pronunciation. And most importantly, you practiced speaking confidently. Keep shadowing every day. Small practice creates big improvement. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.